Alright guys, welcome to the Linux Benny channel. Today we're going to be looking at the January 2022 paper. So first let's get right into it. Alright, my number here is Linux Benny 8765492161. Let's see how it goes now. Let's go. Alright, so number one, say what percentage of 40 is 8? Alright, so let's go. So it will be 8 over 40 times 100%. Alright, so we can do a little calculation now. We can use 20. Alright, we use 8. 8 into itself, 1. 8 into this, 5. 5 into 100, 20 times. So that would be 20. Alright, so that's 20%. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, again, guys, you're encouraged to try. Alright, the number 3.14063 written correct to 3 decimal places is. Let me just write the number because I know I'm having this style already. Alright, so 3 decimal place mean there should be 3 numbers after the decimal point. So here's our decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we check the number, the fourth number. If it's 5 or greater, we add 1 to this. So we're gonna add 1 to this. So our final answer would be 3.141. Alright. Alright, number 3 said if 4.3 times 0.37 is equal to 1.591, then 0.43 times 370 is. Alright, so guys, here's the trick to this. We're gonna just count the number of decimal places, and that would be our answer. Alright, so this is our original number that we're working with. So here it should be 2 decimal places. This is for the fact that we have only 2 here, so this is gonna be B, which is 15.91, because it should be 2 decimal places. Notice you have to get 3 decimal places right here. Alright, so you have 2 plus 1, this is 1 decimal place. Numbers that come after the decimal point. So this 1 plus 2 is a 3. In this case, we only have 2 right here. So it's gonna be 2 decimal places. So it's gonna be 15.91. I've done this on an earlier paper and someone will say it's explained. So here it is. That's the explanation. I didn't give the explanation because I assume students would have known that, but it's wrong to assume as a maths teacher. Alright? It says the first 3 common multiples of 3, 4, and 6 are the first 3 common multiples, meaning the first 3 numbers that each of these numbers can go in. Alright? So just in case you might not be familiar with it, let me just walk you through this step. Alright? So multiples is as if you are multiplying. So you just keep adding 3. Okay, students, SCA, you guys should know this. You just keep adding, right? So you guys get the picture. Alright? And then it would be 27, 30, 36, etc. Right? And you do the same thing for 4. But this time you're only adding 4. 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Similar with this, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now what you're looking for is the one that are common. Alright, so you have 12 in this, 12 in this, 12 in this. Alright, so we can tell that it's 36. You can go ahead and look 24 in this one also, 24 in this one, 24 in this one, and then you have 36 in all 3. Alright, so I'm just giving you guys this in case So besides the change in numbers, you guys still will be able to successfully complete it. Number 5 says, if $250 is shared in the ratio 2 to 5, the smaller share is. So first we need our total ratio, which is 2 plus 5. Guys, remember you're encouraged to type in your answer. So that is 7. So the total share is 7, right? So this 7 is equivalent to this. But the smaller share would be only 2 out of the 7. Alright? And times by 350. Alright, so now 7 into itself, that goes 1 time. 7 into 35, that's 50. So we multiply 2 times that, which is 100. Alright, so our answer here would be A. Not A, C, which is $100. Alright? So guys, if they ask for the larger share, it would be 5 out of 7, and you would have gotten 150 in that case. So look out carefully, read the questions carefully, what they ask, and so forth. Alright? Let's go up to number 6. By the way, if you're just joining, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Alright? Number 6 says, there are 40 students in a class. Girls make up 60% of the class. 25% of the girls wear glasses. How many girls in the class wear glasses? Now, I'm going very slow, guys, because I want you guys to have an opportunity to do them on your own. Alright? So let's go. First, we need to find out how many girls are there. Right? So we're going to find 60% of 40, since the total is 40. So we use this first. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we have 6 times 4, which is 24. And then now we're going to find 25% of that 24, which is a quarter. So it's like a dividing by 4, right? Therefore, you should get, what's the answer? Type in that. So 25 into that 1, 25 into this 4. So 4 into that goes 6 times. So it would be 6. Alright, let's move on to number 7. It says, if a universal set U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and age is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, then H prime is, this mean not in H. So we're going to write all the numbers that are not in H. So all the ones that are in H is this one. Let's going to cross them out. 3, 4, 6. That means the others would be H prime, not in H. So it's 1, 2, 5. So our answer would be B. Alright. Alright, this one says no. Number 8 says, which of the following statement describe a set of integers greater than negative 3 but less than 6? Alright, look. It's supposed to be greater than negative 3. So greater than or equal to. Which of the following statement describe a set of integers greater. Alright, so just greater than alone, but less than 6. And we never say equal to. So I'm going to eliminate the one them with less than or equal to. Then I can use. So for the same is what? So speaking of 6. Alright, so our answer would be this. And the letter is not, oh, the letter is here, D. So it would be D. So it's less than 3. It's greater than 3. X is greater than 3 right here, but less than 6. So see the less than here. Alright. Let's move on to this one now. It says, if x and y are two finite sets such that x is equal to 9, see this one before. Those are another past paper. Just check we can do it right here. This can be a little bit tricky at times. So if x and y are two finite sets, x is equal to 9 and x intercept is 4, call this x. We have 9 years of course. And what's in both of them combined is equal to 15. And what's the value of y? So 9 of 4 is about 13. And minus 4 of 5. So that would be 6. Alright. So guys, basically what they're saying is what's the value in y? When you combine them, you should get 15, right? So it's 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6, 15. Another way to look at it, the number in x should be 9, so that's gonna be 5 right here. 5. Remember, this only combine x and y, but these 5 do x alone. So 6 persons do y alone. So in all, 10 is in y, right? I see that they say the union. Union means combine, right? Just like a marriage. Alright, let's proceed. We're at number 10. It says the 10 refers to the following Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, x represents the set of factors of 12, y represents the set of factors of 9, then the shaded region represents the set of all factors of. Alright, so first let us go. So it's factors of 9. So what is all the factors of 9? I like to show working out. So guys, bear with me. It is gonna be a bit long. In the end, I want people to actually learn. Alright, and the factors of 12 are 1. Factors mean numbers can go into 12 without leaving a remainder, including 12. Alright, and then we have 6 and then finally 12. Alright, so we're gonna look for the ones that are common. So basically, we have 1, 1, and only 3. That means factors of 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Alright. So it's a very nice one, C-set. I must give you guys that whenever you come up with some very nice questions. Alright, let's move on to number. Should I do a part 2 for this, guys? I don't think I'm gonna be able to do everything. But I'm gonna try to. Hit the like button now, guys. Effort, one for effort to take. He said the 30 students in teacher May's class have either a dog or a cat, or none at all. All the students who have a cat also have a dog. All the students who have a cat also have a dog. All the students, this is the most important part. All the students who have a cat also have a dog. Alright, so in here, so cat will be the universal. Following them there, you can currently represent the information. So basically, let me say wrong question, let me see something. So all the students who have a cat also have a dog. Okay, yeah. So it's D. So D contains C. See? An intersection of 12. Alright, so here say, which of the following pairs of set is an example of a disjoint set? Even numbers and odd. We're not gonna go anymore. A number cannot be even and odd. Disjoint means there's nothing common between them. Alright, so it's disjointed, they are not connected. And that definitely has to be that. Alright. Let's move on to 13. Guys, if I don't get to finish this, just stay tuned for part 2, alright? If Eastern Caribbean $2.50 is equivalent to US $1, then Eastern Caribbean $2 is equivalent to US. Alright. Let us just write a little equation. So Eastern, I want to put it the other way. I can put 1 US at the front end. I think probably persons will might understand it better. So 1 US is equal to $2.50 Eastern Caribbean. Alright. Then how much would $20, not 200? I almost make a mistake here in US. Alright, so we can just put X here, so we can just simply divide by $2. Alright, so let me see now. Can just put a carry this here, so and we get 25, so we're dividing 200 by 25. You know what the rule when you're dividing by a decimal, right? We can't divide by a decimal, so we change it to whole number. However, we have to do the same for this. Decimal point is here, so put a, so it becomes 200. And that should be 4 times 2, 8. So it's $8. Alright. At a store, 3 cents of every dollar spent is charged as sales tax. How much is paid as sales tax on a costume which costs $196? Alright. So this should not be a lot since it's 3 cents per dollar. Now in every dollar there's 100 cents. So basically that's just saying 3%. I think I'm gonna go with $5. Without even work it out, I'm gonna go with $5. Let me do a rough check. Book divide this by 4. Yeah, 4 can go into 36. So 4, 16. So this is 4. 4, 16 left 3. So this is 46. 4 into this is go what? 25 times. So it's 3 times 46 divided by 25. Yeah, 100 and something. 5 here, man, a 5.8. You can work it out though, guys, but you would need to work it out in the exam because guess what? This is just 100 and something, right? And then you divide by 25. 25 to 100, 5 times. There's no way you could go 17 times. Alright? Hit the like button now, guys. I'm teaching you how to pass the exam and get a straight A. What not deal with, man? Like the video, man. Join my class, man. What not deal with? The cash flow. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah, man, you got to school. Eh? Yeah, bro, big up. Alright, the cash price of a television set is $350 with bought on I purchase a deposit of $35 required followed by 20 monthly payments of $30. How much is saved by paying cash? I think I've seen this question before. I've done so many questions, guys. I mean, sometimes by just reading, just oh, I've seen this one. Alright, so let's go. Is cash price at 350. So I'm going to ignore that first. The deposit is the initial money that you paid, is $35. So you pay $35 down, followed by 12 monthly installment of $30. So you're gonna multiply every month you're gonna pay $30. So for 1 year, what would that be what? 360? Alright, so now we're gonna add 35 to the 360 to find the total for the higher purchase, because that's what higher purchase is. The deposit plus the monthly installment. So we have 3 that, so we're gonna subtract 395 minus the original 350, which is the cash price. So if you buy cash, you'll see this, which is $45. Alright. Remember guys, I don't get to finish it. Just go back for part 2. I'm not have to tell them that we're supposed to do. Alright, a company employs 20 persons as gardeners and clerks. The mean daily wage of all the employees $22.40. If each of the 12 gardeners is paid 26 per day, then the daily amount paid each of the clerks is if each of the 12 gardeners is paid $26 per day, then the daily amount on each. So we just need to find the mean between these two. Wouldn't that be correct? to just find the mean between these two. So I'm thinking it's $24 because, hold on, let me see. So the mean daily wage of the employee is 22.40. If each 12 gardeners paid 26 per day, then the daily amount paid will be 30. Alright, so in the end, this is the overall mean. So let us find, let me try to see if we can find if each of the 12 gardeners paid 26 per day. So that means the mean for them would be, because each get paid the same thing, so their mean would be 26, right? Alright, so then the daily amount paid to the 8 clerks. So the 8 clerk money is supposed to come up to what? 8 times 22. Oh, I'm just going to company employees 12 persons. All the employees is 22. So when I add up all 20 persons, you're supposed to get, and you divide by 20, you get this. Let me calculate the what each person getting at this. I'm sure there's an easier way. So this is by 12. So 2, 6 is 12. So 2 carry 1, 2 plus 4 and 1, 5. So 3 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 2. This here 2, 1. That's 312. All right. So I'm going the long way because I'm not sure. All right. So boom. This is what this is what their total come up to. Now in order for it to be the mean, the aggregate would be 22.4 times 20. So I'm going to multiply by 10 first, and then I add it. So it will be 2, 2. So it's 224. So this will be the aggregate for all workers. So this is 448, right? So this represents where everybody to money come up to. So I'm gonna subtract this from this and see, and then divide it by 8 because I'm not 100% sure. When you're in doubt, guys, just do it the long way. Alright? Alright, so subtract the 312 now. So this money is gonna represent the 8 people. Alright, so that gives you a 6, that gives you 3, 136. So the final would be 8 divided by 136. I say everything in the line. So 8 into this goes 1 time 8 ones 8. 8 from that leaves 5. 8 7 56. So initially I was thinking the average between them. But guess what? I said the answer. So guys, when you're in doubt, just go the long way, alright? Because what I was thinking first is that this is the mean of one set and this is the mean of another. You divide that by 2, you'll get the overall mean. But this is the mean of all the employees. So it's actually 17. Alright? But initially looking at it, I was thinking, oh, that have to be 24. No, guys, do the workout. Alright? Delano invests 5,000 for 2 years in an investment scheme. The investment earns a compound interest of 8% per annum. What will be Delano's investment at the end of the 2 years period? 8% per annum. I think I've seen this one, it's 832. Why you guys are stressed out the kids and with them? Alright, so 5,000. There you go, I'm a calculator. How would I do this? So this is the formula, compound interest. But it could be simple interest way now times by 2. So amount is equal to P 1 plus r over the number of times it compounds per year n times t. Just finish this in one of my classes. Alright, so we have 5,000. We have 1 plus the rate is 8%, so that's 0.08. And I convert it to decimal per annum, so 1. And then this square. Alright, so it would be 1.08. Square this first one. Alright, so you square this, so you multiply 108 by 108. I'm not gonna do that though. I'm not gonna do that. Well, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna report this. Alright, so it's 5,000. 1.08 times 1.8 times 5. Alright, so it's 5,832. Guys, I cannot cheat it because I didn't want, I don't want a video to be too long. But what I did, I squared this first and then multiply by this. Alright, so it's 5,832. And as I said, forgive me, but I cheated. I use a calculator. I know you guys are not allowed, but in the interest of time, I'm just gonna do that. Alright? That's time catching up for me. A car presently valued at 12,000 depreciates at a rate of 10% per annum. What will be the value of the car after 1 year? Alright? So the value after 1 year, so we just need to find 90%, as at the end of 1 year it's gonna only work for 90%. Alright? Depreciation means the value goes down. Alright, so we're gonna be saying no. So 9 twelve hour. That will give you the idea. 9 twos 18, 9 ones 9, and 10, 108. So this will be A. I'll just let's chop off the zeros, but we add them back. Alright, so that's 10,800. Wait, let me see the initial value. Hold on. Let's see what the word for. Oh, 12. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's correct. So it would be, alright. So a man basic wage for a 40-hour week is $160. He's paid $5 per hour for overtime. If he works 6.5 hours overtime in a certain week, then his wage for the week is, alright, so let's go. So it's a 40-hour week and he's paid. Oh, I'm already give you this one. Alright, so we know this is a fixed amount. So we didn't have to work out the gross wage in terms of the regular they gave us. So they gave us for the 40-hour week, which is 160. So we just need to figure out the overtime, which is 6.5 times, how many hours in more? $5. Yeah, $5. This was pretty straightforward. Alright, so 5, 25, 5, 6, 30, and that 32. That's 32.5. So on the 160, we're gonna add this, but this is irregular plus the overtime. That's 192. Alright. Guys, you guys will have to check me back for part 2. Ensure that you subscribe if you want to be a part of my class. So stop with the kids students. So just hurry up, guys. Hurry up. I don't want to let anyone stranded. This is my number. Just WhatsApp me. Alright. A salesman sells a car for 10,500. If he's paid a commission of 5% for the first 10,000, and 8% and the remainder, then the total commission received is, alright. So let us break it down. So you say a salesman sells a car for 10,500, he's paid a commission of 5% on the first 10,000. So let us find 5% of 10,000. Alright, so we have this one, this one. So that's 500. So he's gonna get 500 from that investment, from that commission. So we have $500 left, right? Because 10,000 minus from this is gonna give us 500. So you're gonna find 8% of the 500. Alright, so 58540. So that's $40. So he's gonna earn 500 from the first 10,000 and $40. So it's gonna be 540. Again, guys, hit me up for part 2. Alright, this is enough minutes out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. Big up yourself, guys.